United States-US revives Keystone XL route in new pipeline move. In a significant development, Donald Trump has authorized a new oil pipeline project that will transport crude oil from Canada into the United States, effectively reviving key portions of the previously cancelled Keystone XL pipeline. According to official sources, the newly approved pipeline will follow a similar route to Keystone XL, which was originally designed to carry oil from Alberta, Canada, to refineries along the U.S. Gulf Coast. The project had been halted earlier due to environmental concerns and political opposition. Supporters of the decision argue that the pipeline will strengthen North American energy independence, create jobs, and reduce reliance on foreign oil imports. The administration has emphasized economic benefits, particularly in boosting domestic refining capacity and stabilizing fuel supply chains. However, environmental groups and critics have raised serious concerns. They warn that expanding oil infrastructure could increase greenhouse gas emissions and pose risks to ecosystems and water resources along the pipeline route. Indigenous communities and landowners have also voiced opposition, citing land rights and environmental safety. The revival of the project is expected to reignite debates over climate policy, energy security, and economic priorities in the United States and Canada. Analysts suggest the move could have broader implications for U.S. Canada relations and global energy markets. As the project moves forward, regulatory approvals, legal challenges, and public response will play a crucial role in determining its future. Stay updated with the latest breaking news and global events. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.